it's Avery. Today we're going to be making a healthier version of chicken nuggets on the stove. So let's go see what our ingredients are.
You will need a nonstick pan, a spatula, tongs, chicken breast, olive oil spray, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Grab your cutting board and knife. Start by trimming the excess fat off of your chicken breast. Now begin cutting your chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Make sure to throw away your chicken packaging and the excess fat. As always, when dealing with raw meat, make sure to wash your utensils with hot water and soap. And don't forget to sanitize the surface area. And wash your hands. Use a larger burner for this recipe. Turn the burner on to medium-high. Generously spray your pan with olive oil. Wait for your pan to heat up. Add your chicken and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side and flip with your tongs. When your chicken is almost done cooking, you can add your seasonings. Once you see no more pink on your chicken, cook for at least 1 to 2 more minutes to ensure that your chicken is cooked.
These chicken nuggets are great to either meal prep or enjoy right away. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and the recipe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And the laundry machine is being very loud, so I'm gonna redo this. Oh my gosh.